Imagine scrolling through a group chat and finding a message from a classmate that makes you seriously concerned for their safety. Your first instinct is likely to screenshot it and send it to a few friends, asking for their take on whether the threat is real. Share that image, and it multiplies exponentially. One forward becomes 100, evolving into a wave of rumors. This digital noise makes it difficult to identify the original source. While investigators sort conflicting screenshots, the personal crisis is broadcast to the entire student body. Preventing this escalation requires a transition from instinctive reacting to deliberate, controlled reporting. This process relies on a 4-step framework: stop, save, report, and support. Following these steps ensures the information reaches responders directly, resolving the safety concern without fueling a school-wide panic. The most critical moment occurs the second you finish reading the message. You have the evidence on your screen, and you need to act. Step 1 is stop. You must freeze your impulse to type a reply, add a reaction, or forward the message to anyone else. Many people fail here by sending the text to a best friend to verify it. Avoid this. Once you send it, you can no longer control who sees it next. Do not post the message to a story or a public feed. The goal is to contain the information so it doesn't spread beyond your device. With the situation contained, move to step 2, save. You must preserve the digital evidence in its original state. Take a raw, unedited screenshot of the conversation. This provides a permanent record. In your Notes app, log the secondary details: exact time, date, and platform. Do not use a cropping tool. Investigators need to see the full context of the conversation. Avoid using highlighters, drawing circles, or adding filters to the image. Any alteration can raise questions about the screenshot's authenticity. Providing a clean, untouched original allows school authorities to evaluate the situation accurately and determine the next steps for safety. Now that the evidence is secured on your phone, you need to transfer that information to someone who can help. This is step 3, report. Your objective is to get the facts to a trusted adult or an official school channel as quickly as possible. This could be a teacher, a guidance counselor, or a school administrator. You can also use the school's digital reporting portal if one is available. Attach the screenshot and your notes to an email or the digital form. Use objective, factual language when you describe what happened. For example, I saw this message in the junior class group chat at 8 p.m. Do not include personal theories or guesses about what the person was thinking. Stick to exactly what you saw without adding any exaggerations. By acting as a factual conduit, you allow the school's response team to begin their investigation with clear, unbiased information. After you submit the report, your role changes from a messenger to a guardian of privacy. This is step 4, support. You support the process by maintaining total confidentiality regarding the report you just made. As the situation develops, your peers may start asking questions or looking for details. You must refuse to engage in these conversations. Do not gossip or make jokes about the event, and do not pressure others for updates on the investigation. This silence is an active way to protect the integrity of the investigation and the dignity of everyone involved. Completing these steps successfully transfers the responsibility of the crisis from you to the professionals trained to handle it. Instead of a school-wide panic that distracts from the problem, your actions create a stable environment where the issue can be resolved quietly and effectively. Official reporting funnels sensitive information directly to trained responders, keeping the focus on safety and individual well-being. When you see something concerning online, do not ignore it, but do not broadcast it. By following the stop, save, report, and support protocol, you ensure that speaking up remains a responsible way to keep your entire community safe.